Hello, my name is Clayton Dalton with Bear Creek AI. Today I'm going to walk you through our tutorXpert admin app. So once you get into tutorXpert, you want to go to our App Store and scroll down to the tutorXpert admin app. And when we're here, you'll see your list of courses you've created along with the topics extracted and the created at date. So we're going to create a new course. So click the Create Course button and enter your title and description. In this case, it's going to be a course on pre-calculus. We'll enter a description here. And then simply click Create. Now I have just created this course a few moments ago, and so we're going to use this one that I've already created. Again, same title and description. We're going to click Edit. And here you can see our tabs. We have Overview, Topics, Assessment, Learners, and Documents. We're going to start over on the right in Documents, and here we'll be able to upload a document, and we can choose if we want to replace our existing topics or add new ones, and then start extraction. I have an extraction going right now, and it's at 95%, but to start a new extraction, we simply click Choose File, select the file we want. In this case, we've selected Active Prelude to Calculus Chapter 1, which is an open source textbook. And click Open, and then Start Extraction. In this case, though, we'll clear this and wait for this extraction to finish. When your extraction is finished, it will move to the extracted history, where you'll be able to see topics you've extracted in the past. So I'll pause the video for a moment to let this finish, and we'll come back and look at our topics and assessment. Okay, our document is done extracting topics and assessments now. So if we go over to our topics page, we can see here are the topics that have been extracted. Now each of these topics come with a title and a description as well as learning objectives. So if we look here, the first topic is relating changing quantities with tables, graphs, and algebra. And we can see our nice description that's been extracted. Again, this comes straight from the document, no input from me. And the learning objectives, in this case, we have 5 as well. We can scroll down through these, of course, edit as needed, the title, description, or duration, and then rearrange in a different order as well. Now for every topic that's extracted from the document, we also have assessment questions. So here you can see we have a number of assessment questions ranging from easy difficulty to hard difficulty. And these are all multiple choice questions, each with the question text, a answer description, the options A through D, and then the topic that they belong to, in this case relating changing quantities. So if we take a look at question 1 here, we can see that if we edit, we have the ability to change what topic it belongs to, in addition to the question text if we want to change that to something different, the options that are available, the correct answer, difficulty, and then the explanation. We can finally click Update. We can also delete, of course. If we go over to Assessment Analytics, we can see the total students enrolled, the average score, the completion rate, and the questions that we have extracted. Once we add students here, we'll be able to see individual student progress, questions answered, last activity, etc. If we go back to our course here and go to the Learners tab, finally we can add users. Simply enter email address. We can also enter a list of email addresses, and they will get a notification to join the course. Here I'll add my work email address. Here, click Enroll, and we can see we have an active user now enrolled on this date. Again, going to Assessment Analytics here, we can look at this user's performance and make any changes that we need to based on that.